Hello, welcome to Kiki's Classroom, and today we have a school bus surprise. Something has arrived in our school bus. I wonder what it's gonna be. Let's open it up and find out. What is that? Hatchimals collectibles. One pack. We have more than one. Hatchimals Season 2. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Should we open these and find out what's inside? Collect all 5 barracudas. Barracudas. I don't even know what a barracuda is. Let's see. Hatchimals collectibles. Changing heart. Oh my goodness. All right, let's find out what's inside. Oh, it's an egg. It's an egg. It's pink with a purple heart. My goodness. Do we just open it? How does this open? Let's find out how you open a Hatchimal collectible. Okay, number 1, press right above the heart with your thumbs to crack and remove the heart. Right above the heart. Oh, right above it. Oh my goodness. Look at the little thing in there. Oh my goodness. Come on out. You can hatch. It's okay. Look at how cute he is. It's a parakeet. And he's got a yellow belly, a pink beak with pink little feet, and sparkly hands with green eyes and a cute little rainbow tail. He is adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna put this guy to the side. Let's open our other one and see what we have. All right. Are we gonna still have a pink egg? Yep. It's a pink egg. Gonna open this part up. Okay. And we learned from the other one that you're supposed to press right above the heart. There we go. I think it's a different one. I think it's a different one. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, look at this one. Oh, she's adorable. This is a white one with a purple belly with teal little feet and a beak with sparkly hands and a cute little rainbow tail. Oh my goodness. Where's the other one? Let's put the two of them together. Oh, they could be friends. Cute little parakeets. Do you guys have parakeets at home? Do you have a different kind of parakeet? Comment below on what color parakeet you have. Until next time, see you later.